What a bright and a beautiful day! Elly is on her way to the ice cream factory. Hello, Elly.
Hello. I have an ice cream delivery to make. Let's go.
She definitely has a lot of orders for the day to complete.
This is an amazing ice cream factory. Isn't this cool? I think I should press the green button. And let's get going. Can't wait for the ice creams. Yay! This is a brown chocolate ice cream. This is a pink strawberry ice cream.
The ice creams are ready. Elly will now take these orders in her ice cream delivery truck. And off she goes. What a wonderful day it was.
Hi, I'm Elly, and this is Eva.